Kajimbam hon Halor ka roster system hakaliang ka bha thungkam la sakhi balami shibuan ki kinum kinram hapaning kinong mikmat naki seng san pathai ba phe but naki kin hon seng bhalang bandawa bisha bania byang yakamat Halor kani shwaba ka sarkar kan pintre kam ya ka roster system Gajinga kan bagajinga sulok banai jingmut kalami hakador bar mangtingka bakala poi wat shaba jong gayeng dor baru hakabaka seng Voice of the People Party VPP kala berngam ban mi madan Halor kani kamat.
If we are not allowed to participate in this August House, we are going to hit the street. In fact, which we don't want to go to the street as legislator. But since we are not allowed, this is a serious issue. It has affected this part of the region. So we want to discuss as responsible members of the House, how do we go about this serious issue?
Habajubab Halor kani umenti rong ba ka Jylla ukonat ke sama ulaong bakasoka ka habanya shakmat haba minjur bakajing batha balayo na kiyeng bisha jong ka Jylla ba ulaong ru bakitu ba persha ki habanya kopya kani hakmat kiyeng bisha.
Then the roster systems, this is something that is always mandatory when a reservation is created, because if the roster system is not there, then the reservation is not implemented in letter and spirit. And for whatever reason, for the past 50 years, the roster system was not there, sir. And it is the High Court that ultimately came in, and they had given a necessary direction that the roster system should be implemented. And based on the court directions, this roster system is being implemented, sir.
Nakalia ukonat sama ula bujing kali baleban na kajing persha ek reservation policy.
But we want to ensure that this policy is just and fair.
Ni nakaliang kaseng, ni sengu yahab, bahkan don kajing kami bi benia sasisin. Ya kan ikan berkelia reservation policy. Ni sengu day bat ni kersan, ya kitu kikan hon dan kitu kiru shimet ki boong bahkan don kamban penbek ya ka reservation policy. Handrai ngim menjurpat ya kajing ong badon kamban pendu ya ka reservation policy. Kadon kajing pera pada kajing pendu ya ka reservation policy, bat kajing penbha bat kajing penjanai ya ka reservation policy. Ni kersan ya kajing penbha kajing penjanai kajing thokin benia sasisin ya ka reservation policy ngim kersan ya kajing ong ban weng ya ka reservation policy.
Ledangi phaya kene ke reservation policy kalau komunal kene ke reservation policy kalau komunal namar balai ngau kumta kalau penipher jat benriu.
Kajing Khih haki time kasi jantia persaya ka bhathap kam thap jam reservation policy kam shwa tulun ringkat bagi seng bhalang Nagaru Hills ki bala pendram ya kajing kran jong nongelam ka seng Voice of the People Party VPP uba aden mela pasayomat dakaba ong ba uba aden upersang bapin Khih ya kalat pendrungkam baladep ban pinbiang da kiyeng bisha jong ka Jylla Meghalaya shushu kanong ajing mo jong ka achik conscious holistically integrated krima achik ka baneta rang samara kalakeno ba ka seng VPP ka persang ban pendrung ya kajing sungup jat benrio hapadeng kinong sosnong jong ka Jylla bat kajing besu ban pendu ya ka hok jong ki katu kat ni ki benta jong ka jat benrio ka Jylla.
That order has been passed by the learned High Court, and it is not passed by the legislative nor by the executive. It is passed by the judiciary. And if anyone can turn down that order, is only the Supreme Court and not by any vested person or any group who threat to demonstrate rally or protest in some way.
What happened in kajing thot ba kajing bamhon u President Kenya Top Youth Council HYC uba Robert June Kajarin ubaderu unong ya side an uloong baka sarkar kalaban khot ya baro kinang bat shem ya kabaya hab jingmut lang kadkum kajing ong jong uba Robert June uloong balada ka sarkar kamla ban rai Halor ka bha banai she ki pajba ka khasi jantia bagaro kamut kan khamba ban sinrop lut ya baro ki jat benrio khasi jantia bagaro hapo kaju kajing thu jong ka schedule tribe
hajaka bakan don bet ka ST reservation kawan bet khasi jetia garu ada ST but other SC kategori ti amdi bangi pendrem ye ki nongelam ki baladep rena du basdang hi ka yeng ha takanorim jong gajing pher je mru minom la berlen ya kata now beli ngi omta now ba da kamdon gajing pher je mru kala di banwan bet ka schedule tribe kategori apok Meghalaya da PI nyopo na prapo na persen kata ka syong ri la pension norim
Hoi ke sarkar lingba community jong ke sarkar Jylla ka kong amprin lingdo hatu ke sarkar kan la bawan ra ya ka rai ba hapadeng ka banya hab jimut lang.